Hi, I'm Sherry with Home Show Garden Pros, and we're here in this beautiful, very well-treed neighborhood after Hurricane Beryl went through. And it looks probably just like most of our neighborhoods, piles of debris everywhere. We're getting out and cleaning up after the storm and trying to do things in our yard to help our trees get through the stress of this aftermath of the storm. So, what we don't realize too is these big, beautiful trees were nice and sturdy and stayed up during the storm. There's going to be some residual damage over time on the trees. What happens underground when the wind blows is these roots are holding on for dear life. Sometimes they break underground. So we need to lessen the stress on our trees by giving good nutrients, good minerals to the soil. And you hear about us talk about these products all the time. I just pulled these out of the garage last minute, but Azomite is a great mineral supplement that we can apply. It's super easy to use. And it's safe, so it's not like poison. And you would just literally sprinkle that on the ground around the drip line of the trees. That, along with Humates Plus by Microlife, which is a 004, so it's not necessarily a fertilizer, but it is an amendment, and this is going to help to put the good minerals and nutrients into the soil around the tree's drip line to boost its immune response so that it can get through the stress of this storm easier. And that's the name of the game when we're talking storm remediation in our lawns and garden. You can apply all of this to your tree roots, to your grass, to your shrubs, to your vegetable gardens. There's no wrong way to do it. Just do something to help boost that immune response to our trees and shrubs, because what's going to happen is the damage that you don't see is going to cause stress. Then we're going to go, months down the road, and your trees are going to be more susceptible to disease and insects, and we're going to be battling those then. So a little ounce of prevention is what we're trying to do here to take the stress off of our trees and shrubs. If you want to apply something like liquid seaweed, you can go ahead and put your granules out, water everything in. You pour this in here, hook this to the hose. You can spray everything in your yard. Really easy, and I love to do this all right before a rain, and it looks like we're going to have a rainy week ahead of us. So get out, get your products applied. Let's do what we can to lessen the stress from here going on. So for more great information like this, you can join us on Saturday mornings from 7 to 9 on 610 radio at Home Show Garden Pros.